And now we're going to do a sun salutation with the emotion of sadness. Because sometimes we feel sad, and it's very okay to feel sad. And when you want to stop feeling sad, you take big belly breaths, and one thing that helps is a sad sun salutation. So we're going to be sad the whole way until we're done with the dragon. Let's start. Think of something that makes you sad. One more time. I shape a circle, then one more. Try to breathe in. I know it's hard to breathe in when you're sad, but just try. I fold in half and touch the floor. I lift my head up like a horse in neigh. So what would a sad horse sound like? Maybe it would be walking slow. And what would a sound horse sound like? Neigh. And I kick my feet back and drop right away. It's getting a little easier to breathe. And I'm still sad, it's okay. I pull myself forward and let out a hiss. What would a sad snake sound like? Maybe it wouldn't be as strong. Maybe it might be stronger. I lift my bottom to the sky like a doggie like this. What kind of sound would a sad doggie make? Would it bark? Or would it maybe whimper or whine? What do you think? Breathe in. Maybe like a doggie that misses its owner. I drop to my knees. And I breathe. Well, what kind of fire would a sad dragon breathe? A sad dragon... Oh, I heard somebody say tears. Yeah, like rain. All right, let's rid all the tears out of our body. Ready? Everybody put your foot back. Put your hand out. We're going to get rid of all the sadness. Everybody pull your arm in. Pull your knee in. Breathe in. And shoot out all those tears. And now switch sides. This is it. Get all those tears out. Lift your dragon tail up. Put your hand up like this. Breathe in. And all those tears come out. I feel better. Put your knees together. I'm sorry. I meant put your feet together. See, I make mistakes too, and I'm not going to get sad about it. Hands like this. I'll curl up like a little mouse. Everybody breathe in. Let me hear some happy squeaks. Everybody go squeak, 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 squeak. And I stand up tall like a big, strong house. Everybody show me your muscles. You're awesome. You got rid of the sadness. And I reach, and I reach, and I reach for my toes. Grab onto your toes. Say hi, toes. Stand up. Slowly. Breathe in. And show me a happy pose. Yeah. Good job. Breathe in. Namaste.